back with FuturePrint TV. I'm Karis Kopp, delighted to be here with my friend Phil McMullin.
Morning, Karis.
Morning, Head of Sales Wide Format for Epson UK.
Correct, yeah.
We're here on day 2 of Sign & Digital UK at the NEC in Birmingham. It's already looking like it's pretty busy here on day 2, which tends to be the busiest day.
Absolutely.
I wasn't here yesterday. What was it like?
Well, doors opened at 10. We had a flood of people coming through at 10 o'clock, which was fantastic.
Yeah.
I think everybody's been locked down for a couple of years. Everybody was keen to get out, kick the tin, smell the ink.
Yeah.
Scratch the print. The good news from the point of view of the global print industry and our customers in the UK in particular is that we've continued to invest huge amounts of R&D dollars into the technology of tomorrow. And as you would expect from Epson, it's all our own print heads, all our own ink, all our own chassis, firmware, etc., etc. So as our customers will know, when we put all of those things together, they work in absolute harmony and you get the best possible print quality on a consistent basis today, tomorrow, next week, next month. So the new products, no exception to that. We're just moving into different areas, different applications, widening the product lineup and making sure that everything can be printed on Epson.
Yeah, fantastic. And I think, like you said, with the challenges that we're facing, it is going to push that innovation, isn't it? That's one of the upsides of challenging times.
Absolutely.
So I think we are going to see more innovation in the market. People are going to need to, really making sure that they're, like you said, absorbing costs, but helping the customers save money as well in these difficult times. And that's something that Epson, I'm sure, is looking at.
Absolutely. We're all in business to make money, and if you stay ahead of the game and you invest in the technology tomorrow, it's more productive, the image quality is better, the running costs are lower, it's more reliable, it's easier to use, you spend more time on other parts of your business and press the big green print button, walk away and leave it, come back, and your output's produced, and you're selling it hopefully at top dollar because the quality is absolutely at a level where you're beating your competitors. So reinvestment is absolutely going to be key for those businesses that survive. It's those that are embracing that innovation, embracing the changes and the challenges, and being positive and going forward in our view.
Yeah, well, I certainly completely agree, but have you seen, you've got this great new technology, have you seen that people are coming here with that attitude, they are ready to invest?
Absolutely. One of the criticisms, if you like, I think of some of these shows before the pandemic is that people had lost their enthusiasm for coming to the show and actually looking at new product investment. It didn't, 1 year to the next, didn't seem to be a lot of changes. Because we've had this gap of nearly 3 years, technology has moved on massively in that 3-year period. So conversation we had yesterday, and I'm sure we're going to have today and tomorrow, people are getting really enthusiastic about what's new and saying, okay, I need to really consider this, and this is going to future-proof my business.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, and have to compliment you, Phil, on your snazzy shirt.
Thank you very much. We always like to walk the walk, talk the talk. So this is a dye sublimation polo shirt that we produced. We a couple of years ago, we got some students at Birmingham University to do some great designs for us. Printed it ourselves on the Epson dye sublimation printers. We've got them on the stand here, so people could come and look at the quality of the print and the wide variety of personalisation and customisation that you can embrace with the Epson technology. So yeah, the shoes as well, not as comfortable as they might look, but they're looking pretty interesting. That's again Epson dye sublimation technology.
Yeah.
So we've got all of that. We've got DTG, we've got the resin print, UV print, eco solvent, water-based for posters and interior short-term signage. So pretty much covering every gamut.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, they look more comfortable than mine. Don't wear high heels to trade shows, everybody. But yeah, like you said, then spanning that gamut. I mean, I guess when times are tough, people that might have their key market suffering a bit can look at different revenue streams. Is that something that we're going to be seeing more of as people overcome the current challenges as well?
Absolutely, Karis. I think one of the trends that we saw before the pandemic was commercial print businesses looking to expand their offering.
Yeah.
Customers are difficult to win, so what everybody should be doing is selling more to their existing customers.
Yeah.
It's a lot cheaper, it's a lot easier. Hopefully you've already got the quality reputation within that customer base. So just adding some more branding, widening the opportunity of what you can produce and sell to your existing customer base, it's always going to be a lot easier and less expensive to do. So we've been a big advocate of that for a long time, and that message, we're just trying to put that over even more strongly now with the challenges that everybody's got. We're all trying to come back and rebuild this industry. The industry's got together this year with some of the illegal challenges that we were potentially facing, and that's been resolved. And that's been a great example of the industry coming together and doing things for the good of the industry. So great to see.
Absolutely, completely agree. And I think, again, these face-to-face events are for the good of the industry. It's so fantastic to have them back. There's no substitute, really, for the face-to-face events. And, wishing you a hugely successful second day. I have no doubt it's looking really busy, like we said already. Phil, thanks so much for talking to us.
Pleasure.
FuturePrint
Thanks
TV.
again, Karis.
And thank you.
Thanks, everybody.